to my YouTube channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to design and create a interaction in Framer. So basically in this tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to design an accordion component in Framer without using any design tools like Figma, Adobe XD. Okay, and accordion is very commonly used components in the website. So when you go to the any landing page, you will find an FAQ section, frequently asked question sections, at the bottom of the landing page, and accordion components basically used for those section to reveal the answer of those questions. Okay, so we are going to create those to create that element here in Framer. So let's get started. Let's just go to your tool and create a new project. This is the new project I have created so far, and this is blank. You don't have to change anything over here. So I will zoom in. First I will write it question, what is UI design? This is going to be our question. Okay, what I will do, again let me delete again. Go to on the top here, as you can see there is a text element over here. I'll select the text and click on the canvas. Upon click, you can see there is a cursor. I will write the question here, what is UI design, question mark. Hold option and shift on Mac. You can also use the shortcut command control CV to paste or create the duplicate of this component. I'll paste the answer of the question here. What I will do, I will select both of the element here, right click. If on click of right click, I'll see the option here is called stack. I'll click on stack. Now on click of stack, as you can see the text elements, both of the text elements in the center. I will change the direction and everything over here on the right panel side. You can see there is a property. Let me go to the layer panel, and the layer panel, as you can see, the stack is already been created, and inside the stack there is two question and answer is inside the stack element, right? Let's change the name of that stack and make name it as accordion. Okay, select the accordion stack element. I will change the, first of all, the direction will remain as the vertical. I will change this distribute to center to okay, I think distribute is fine because it's horizontal, right? I will change the alignment from center to left aligned. So now this looks better. I will change the accordion width from 100% to fixed height. Maybe I will put it something like 600 pixel for now. Let me change this to fixed, make it a 600 pixel. I think this is fine for now. Select the question, it's fine. As I will select the answer, and as you can see the answer width, the answer text element width is actually going outside of the parent element. So I will change the width to fill. Now as you can see, the answer is inside of this inside of the parent. Now we have both two elements. Now I need another element called icon, because on click of icon will actually reveal the answer and hide the answer accordingly. So what I will do, I will select this accordion, this stack, and then I will click on insert. Inside the insert you will see a bunch of options available. So by default Framer gives a lot of option to get started. So I will select the icons over here. I will select the basic on here, but you can select any icon packs from here, or even you can download SVG icon from other platforms, third-party platform, and paste it over here. That also works. So I'll go into the basic on icon. I will drag the icon over here. I will just put the icon inside of this tag element. I will change the icon. Now by default it gives a planet icon. I will change it to arrow. So I'll type it arrow, and let's give it this arrow. Let's take this arrow. Now what I will do, I will select arrow. Let me bring the arrow bottom. I will select the arrow and the question together by pressing holding shift, and then right click and also add stack. Change the direction to horizontal this time. Distribute space between, I want space between these two elements, and then I think everything looks good. Now as you can see, the accordion is here, and inside the accordions we have stack, and there's a answer. I will select the accordion again. I will first of all I will play around some style of this text. I don't want that text, the question and answer have the same text style property, otherwise it's create a lot of confusions. So let me change to some other font style. and also I will update the font size of it. So I will go to the Google font and I will pick it up any random font from here. Let's go with this one. No, not this one, it's not looking good. Let's quickly go to, if I find anything. DM Serif, I think DM Serif displays looks good better. DM Serif, let's change the for 16 pixel to maybe uh, 30 pixels looks good better. I will change the answer font is enter fine. I will change the line height to 1.3 to 1.4. The color, I will just update the opacity. It is too much shouting. I will just make it a 60% opacity so it looks subtle and easy to the eyes and easy to read. And now our whole text style have changed it. Now it looks better. There's a proper hierarchy, and we can like literally see the difference between the question and answer. I will select the accordion element again. I will give the fill property because we want fill, and also give a padding, inside padding of 16 pixel. So we'll go on the top, and from 0 to 16 pixel I want to give a padding, and then we'll also give a border to that accordion element. By default it's given 2 to 2 hex, it's fine. Let's go ahead with the same hex, but I will change the opacity a little bit because this border is too much shouting, and make it as like maybe 10 pixel. Let's go with 15. I think 15 is balanced one. Yeah, 15 looks better. Also give a radius corner, like I don't want a sharp corner on this element. 12, so it looks more friendly. Okay, it looks good. It's simple. I think that looks good to go. Again, this accordion is very simple. Right now I'm designing a very simple accordion, but again, when you are trying to create this element in Framer, you can try a bunch of things. Maybe you can add more icons or actionable elements like button, radio button, checks, whatever on this accordion. But for now, for tutorial purpose, I have made this I made this accordion simple as possible. Okay, our accordion is done so far. Let me right click on this accordion and create a component. I will not change the component name. Create. Now we have the, by default it gives the first variant, right? I will change the variant name to variant 1 to open because that's open state. The answer is visible to the user. I want another state, another variant of this element, and in that element basically the answer will remain hidden. Okay, here as you can see these two boxes are like showing up on the left and bottom. So I want to create a variant instead of hover and paste it. Okay, I clicked on variant. I'll name the variant to hidden. Now what we'll do, first in the first open state I will in this icon, since on click of this icon the answer will appear or disappear. Okay, so I want to give some rotation property, transform property to this icon, so that I don't want to update this icon to different icon. Okay, I'll select the icon. I'll go to the transform. There is a rotate property. By default it's 0. It looks good. Here in this icon, again select in the hidden icon. Sorry, I think in open state the icon will have a percentage, I think 180°, and in hidden the rotation value will be 0°. Okay, this is the ideal state. Okay, now what I will do, I will say in the hidden state basically the answer should be hidden. So I'll select the answer, change to relative to absolute. Now it goes top. I will give the position property to 0. I want to give a minimum, maybe little bit, push little bit, 20 pixel is fine, looks better. I'll go down, change to 1 to 0 because in this state I don't want answer to be visible, so it will remain 0 here. Now we have two both property, the two both state of a single element accordion. The first one is hidden and primary. Hidden is the like default state, and then primary is again on click of it, on click of the arrow, this whole accordion will behave accordingly. Okay, so let's create the interaction. First I will select the stack first, stack 1, which contains two element and questions and icon. I want this element, whole element is clickable instead of icon only. Because it gives me a more space touch target here, so the user can easily click on these questions. Okay, when I click on this tag, it gives me that small thunderbolt icon, so it highlights me that I can create interaction. Click and hold this arrow appearing, this zero start appearing, so I have to drag it and just connect with the hidden state, because on click of this stack, this hidden state should replace with, right? By default it gives me this bunch of option. I'll go with the default one, click, no delay. When I select the open component, as you can see, the transition property is already given spring, but you can play around with any transition, ease or instant. You can play around with the numbers, but I will go with the default value. Again, created a transaction from reveal state to hidden state. Again, I have to go from hidden to open state again. So if user again click on that icon, so that answer should show up, right? So what I will do, again I will go to the layer panel. Here I will select the stack, but as you can see, when I select the stack, there is already Thunderbolt icon. The icon is already given, and plus the click interaction is already added over here. So I will change the hidden state. So for example, if I click this icon, delay 0, transition once, obviously I don't want this thing to be a cycle and transition happening again and again repetitively. Plus the variant, on click of this element, I want user to go back to the open state, right? So here the variant from hidden to open, and let's see that. Okay, so far our interaction is done. Let's check on the canvas. So on the canvas, the component is already being added, is updated over here. So let's play this video and let's see how it works. Okay, so accordion is done. Let me click on it. Yeah, looks really good. Now as you can see, it looks really good. I'm trying to click on this element, but it's not revealing it. Why? The reason being, let me go to that design again. So here the answer has a z index property of 1. So basically the answer is on top of the stack. In layer, it appearing like the stack is top and the answer is below this element, but by like in design level, in coding, the thing is different. The answer has a z index of 1. It means the stack has a z index of something else. It's not given here because by default maybe the z index of stack is 0, because it has a what you can say, the position relative, but the answer of that like the hidden element as a positions of absolute, so it gives a hidden as index of 1. It means it is on top of the question, and because of that reason I'm not able to click that element, the stack here, the hidden stack. So what I will do, I will change the z index less than 0, because stack has already by default z index of 0. So I will change the answer z index to negative value, so that it goes back to that stack component. Now if you go back and let's test it out, is it working or not? Let's test it over here. Yeah, clicking, now see, now it's working, right? Here as you also can see that icon is rotating, because we have given a rotate property, so that's why this icon is like rotating very smoothly. Otherwise we have to change the icon to different icon. So far this is a component I have made so far in this video. I hope you like this video. Please try it out, try on your computer, and share this whatever you made so far on your framework. Just share it on social media, and if possible tag me. I'm going to comment on your design. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.